Hey, beautiful babe, sweet angel here. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Listen, y'all, I am so excited to have you here, and I hope you are too. So please, if this is the first time you're visiting my channel, give it a shot. Subscribe, turn on your bell notification so you'll be in the know each and every time I upload. If you're one of the regulars, y'all know how we do. Y'all know what we do. We are trying to defy aging magically. No, we're not. We're just taking care of ourselves. We give ourselves spa time all the time, whether it's natural treatments or whether it's something that we picked up at the store. Let's take care of us, and that's exactly why I'm here today. Listen, I have been spending a little time checking out a few things, and I came across a video that was entitled, "Even if you're 70 years old, use this and remove wrinkles from your face," and yada yada yada. And I'm like, this I have got to try. So that's exactly what we're doing today. So let's get to the laboratory and whip it up and see what we see and see if it actually works. So we'll know, does it work? Let's get to it. First ingredient we're starting with today is coffee. It is coffee. This mask includes this instant coffee, and it's stated that coffee is amazing for skin tightening and anti-aging. Coffee fights wrinkles and tightens the skin. It helps to stimulate blood flow and widens or dilates the blood vessels. This increases blood flow, which can help tighten the skin naturally. The result may be a reduction in the buildup of even fluid under the eyes. Other compounds in coffee, such as chlorogenic acids, may also reduce inflammation around the eyes. So we'll be making use of 1 tablespoon of the instant coffee. We'll then be taking yogurt. Yogurt reduces signs of aging, such as wrinkles, dark spots, and overall makes the skin look younger. We'll be using 1 tablespoon of just plain yogurt. I'm using Greek yogurt. You can use regular yogurt. You can use sour cream, you can use milk, anything that contains lactic acid. So I'll be making use here of 1 tablespoon. Now let's just go ahead and give these two a mix together so that we can go ahead and get the other ingredients blended. See how the coffee just simply dissolved in the yogurt. Let's get this little extra out of here. Okay, next it says to mix in honey. So the reason why honey works, well, it says here that honey reduces the appearance of skin wrinkles and fights aging. Also, honey is a great antioxidant, and honey has anti-aging properties which help to tighten saggy skin. So we'll be taking 1 teaspoon of the honey. Let's just go ahead and give that a mix as it calls for in the video that I have listed below. So now the recipe calls for aloe vera. Aloe vera. Yes, we love aloe vera. It is super great. And we know this is great for the skin and tightening because aloe vera helps in naturally increasing the production of collagen in the body, which further helps in reducing the visible signs of aging, such as the fine lines and wrinkles. And collagen helps in decreasing the wrinkles and helps in tightening the skin. Aloe vera also helps to improve the elasticity in the skin. So this recipe calls for 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. So that's what I have here. We'll just take us a nice scoop of the aloe vera gel and let's just go ahead and give it a mix. I want to make sure everything is mixed well. And now that that's mixed in, the final ingredient is coconut oil. Oh, for sure. We gotta have coconut oil because we know from what we've talked about on this channel, if you've been around that long, that coconut oil delays the occurrence of wrinkles and prevents premature aging because coconut oil contains vitamin E, and coconut oil is a powerful antioxidant that works to eliminate free radicals that cause that damage to the skin. In addition to that, this coconut oil hydrates and it moisturizes the skin, which helps to prevent sagging. So we'll be taking 1 teaspoon of the coconut oil. Wow, I wish I had to dissolve this a little bit because I'm not sure how well it's going to mix up, but based on the video, hey, we will just see. We will just see. Okay, is that about a teaspoon? Wow, I wish I had this warmed up because it's super hard, but we will see what happens here. Let's just scoop it in. Well, it's not extremely hard. It's warming up as I speak. Should have put it by the light. Let's put that extra on my hands. And always moisturize your hands, ladies. Okay, let's get this mixed in. We're going to mix it in, and this may take a second to get it all dissolved in here because, again, mine was not melted. And we're just going to mix it and mix it until it turns into a creamy mixture. Wow, I might even say mine even looks like what's on the video, so that is super great. I'll have that video link below, y'all, in case you want to check it out for yourself. But hey, we'll see what happens here. And it doesn't help that the yogurt was cold as well. But this is your anti-aging cream to help make your skin taut like glass. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and apply this to my face. Now before I sat down to put this on, I did go ahead and wash my face with this Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser from the Face Shop, which you can use my Avon link below to order this. Thanks a lot for your order. So I had to go ahead and rinse off the face. You saw that face wash. I love the Rice Water face wash from the Face Shop. I actually order mine from Avon. As you know, I'm an Avon representative, so hey, if you're gonna shop Avon, why not shop from me? Love it. Okay, I'll have that listed below. And I have the face all cleansed. You know, just using that warm water helps to open up the pores. And I did cheat just a little bit. I nuked it in the microwave for a few seconds because I couldn't do the coconut oil lumpy like that. So that's just a little difference that I did in it to make it nice and liquidy here so I can spread it evenly and get the full effect of the coconut oil. So here is the mask. So let me get my mirror in place here and we'll go ahead and spread her up. Okay, so I'm going to bring you in just a little bit closer so that you can see me apply the mask here. And I'm going to probably stop just on my face right now, and I'll put the rest on my neck later because I have it on white robe, and your girl don't want to mess up the robe, you know. So, oh yeah, and I do have this like foundation brush that I'm using to apply it with, because my other brush I thought was going to be not dense enough for it. Okay, so any leftovers I'm going to put in the fridge for now, because we're going to use this 3 times a week. I'm getting around those puffy eyes because, you know, contains the coffee, which contains the caffeine, which helps to reduce puffiness. And see, I have quite a bit left here, so I'm going to store this in the refrigerator in an airtight container, and I'm pretty sure it can keep for a week or so in your refrigerator. So you're going to use this 3 times a week, and right now I'm just going to let it dry down for about 30 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my morning routine. I'll be back in a moment. So it has been about 30 minutes, y'all. I've done all I needed to do, and I went ahead and put my leftovers in this little airtight container, which I will put it down in the description box. I got it off of Amazon, and I'll just put it in the refrigerator for my next treatments for this mask, if it works out. But I feel that it's doing a great job. It's not tight. It feels, you know, pretty moisturizing, as a matter of fact. So because of course the coconut oil is not going to let it like dry tight or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse it off and come back to you and let you see my skin after then, and then I'll go ahead and moisturize my face today. Of course, I'm always using this. Y'all already know about it. It is the Desar Natural Collagen Cream that I so love so much. Check it out off of Amazon. And this is super, super moisturizing. So I'm going to put that on, and I'll be done with my skincare for today. So let me go ahead and rinse this off. I'll be right back to you. Y'all, the skin, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, y'all see that? Do you see that? So I'm here to say it does work. Yes, it does. Oh my goodness. Let me go ahead and just put on my moisturizer here, my Desar cream. Wow, look at there. It's time to head back to Amazon. What you think? So the verdict is in. I'm going to have to go on to that video and leave my comment. Yes, it does work. Oh my goodness. I tried it. I tried it right here. So now you know. And woo, imagine after 3 days, y'all. 3 days of doing this, you know, like during the week, 3 times a week. As I said, just leave it on 30 minutes. I did not use any type of cleanser on my face. It rinses off quite easily. So yeah, listen, I'll have the ingredients, everything listed in the description box. Oh, this is amazing. I love it. Anyway, let me get out of here. Thank you so much for hanging out with me on this video today. I appreciate you so much. Please check out some of the links that I have below. Anything that you have any questions about, please drop that down in the comments. Listen, if you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. I don't know what I got to do. You know, do I have to do a dance? I will do that. If you take my Cash App down, honey. I'm just kidding. But anyway, I hope you can find it in your heart to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Like this video if you did enjoy it or got some value out of it. It is definitely worth trying out if you're looking to eliminate dark spots, wrinkles, fine lines, etc., etc. It's a good one. Yeah, it's a keeper. It's a caper. You feel me? But anyway, I've talked long enough. I will see y'all on the next video. I appreciate you so much. I'll see y'all on the next one. If you have a friend that you think can use this, please do me a favor and share me with your world. I'll see you soon. Bye now.